Hello Python programmers. So in this video, I'm going to show you that I can recognize that what part of your program, what part of your Python program is unused. Now, let me try to explain you this with a hypothetical situation. Let's say that you are working on a big project, a project in which there are multiple classes, multiple methods, multiple instances are created. So it's a huge project, right? Now, at the end of the project, you need to know that what function I haven't used, right? What function I haven't used, what variables I haven't used, so that I can just delete them and make my code shorter and just reduce the load on the processor, or simply just shorten the code, right? So let's see that how we can do that. So there is a Python package called vulture. So just do one thing, open the cmd, just a second, open the cmd and simply write pip install, should be install here, pip install, and write vulture. Now, as the name suggests, this package picks out the dead portion of your code. Okay, this is why the name is vulture here. Now, I got the idea of this video from a fellow YouTuber. His name is Krish Nayak. He recently uploaded a video on this vulture package. So I thought this is a really fun package and I should also create a video and just upload for you all. So what you need to do is, let's say that this is a project, right? This is a Python project in which I have three variables, A, B, and C, and we have two functions. This is a fairly small uh, program. We have two functions here. In function A, we are doing something. In function B, we are doing something. And we are calling function 2. Now, what part of this code is useless? What part of this code is useless? Just see this manually and answer to me. Now, the correct answer here is that A and B are used, but C variable is not used. Okay, so C variable is useless here. And also this function 1 and 2 are created. Function 2 is called, but function 1 is not called. So even if we delete this function, our program will just function perfectly, right? So how we can find these dead parts of the code automatically? What you can do is you can just open the folder in which your not this one, just a second. So you can just open the folder in which your project file is, actually it's okay. So yeah, so just open the folder in which your project file is, shift plus mouse right click, open PowerShell window here, and or you can simply open the cmd and go to that specific location, or just write vulture here, vulture, and then your file name. Okay, so file name here is 1.py. So 1.py. Here you can see, now let me expand this. Here you can see that vulture is saying that there is an unused variable C and there is a 60% confidence that this is a useless code. And there is also a useless function func1 with 60% confidence. Okay, so yep, this is it. And I'll meet you in my next lecture where we'll create something more awesome. Okay, so meet you there. Bye bye.